Okay, so this is a video that's going to explain how to use the free version of GeniusScan to create a PDF document. So in my phone, I've already downloaded this GeniusScan app. It's right here. So click on it to access it. Should show you some options. Okay, so on the main document screen, these are documents I've already created here. So down here is a camera button. So I click that to create a new document. So I'm going to click on that. What I will see is my document. It's trying to find the edges. So you want to move your phone out until it can get all of the document. And you can't really see this, but it's clicking orange and now it's saving it. If I want to do 2 pages, I just put my next page down. See how it's moving orange because it's finding it. Then it will save it. Okay, once it's saved, the ones I want, okay, I click on the phone. I'm going to click check. I'm done. So I've saved all that document. You'll see I have my 1, 2 pages I created. There's some various filters and things that I'm not going to worry about right now. What I want to do then is up on the top is the name. So I want to edit my name because otherwise it's just date and time, which can be a little bit confusing. So I would call it what it is. Let's say this is Notes Rationals. For you guys, maybe 3.1 homework or 3.2 homework or whatever. Once you've got that in there, hit done. It should then save that as a name. So it's now a saved document in GeniusScan. What you want to do now is hit the share button, okay? And you want to share it to, so these are the options you have to share essentially, unless you want to buy the version of the paid version of GeniusScan. You don't have many options here, but you can, if you actually have Canvas Student, you can actually submit right through here. If you want to pay the subscription price, I would say no to that. But GeniusScan lets you send emails. So go to Gmail and then just from and to. I would just send it from and to yourself. So I would send mine from my email to my same email. Okay. And then it's going to attach that. Once you've got it in your email, you can then like save it. Once you open it in Gmail, you can save it to Google Docs, and I'll explain how to do that later. So let me just go ahead and send this to myself. So I'm going to just send that. I'm not going to put anything in, just send. There, it's now, Genius has now sent this as a Google document off to my Gmail account. And we'll have another video that explains that.